Right, carrying on, as I mentioned in my last video, I've just copied and pasted these and put them here, and I've changed the text. So I just double clicked on the text and changed it so it says concept art and character design now. So I've got three sections. I've got my level design, my actual build here, the game itself, I've got my 3D modeling section, and I've got my concept art section. Okay. At the minute, all of these videos are just kind of dropping in, dropping out very abruptly. So you can see at the start, it's just straight in with this, then they drop out, and it comes into this. And I want to get that a little bit cleaner and smoother. So I'm going to apply some video transitions. Now, this lives in the effects bit here, and we're going to look at that in the next two videos. So if you click on effects, and you come to video transitions, you've got lots of things that you can play with here. So let's have a look at dissolve. That's kind of like your go-to one, and let's do cross dissolve or dip to black. These are like your main two. So if I do cross dissolve, the way these work is that they kind of attach themselves on the start and end of your video and your different layers, and they kind of blend in. So if we just do it between these two videos, you'll see that you've got a nice transition there now. So if I hit space, see how that just blends in. If I get rid of it, just play it. There you go, it just jumps. So cross dissolving is just a nice quick way to blend between your videos. You can zoom in and actually drag these and make them shorter or longer if you want. Okay, so very easy to do. Let's say I want it at just the start as well, because at the minute it just comes in straight away. If we add these at the start, let's see what happens. Let's do it to just that one. So that's quite cool because I've got the that on lighten. It will start to fade in underneath it. There. So let's put that on the flashing white lines as well. So you can see what that does. If I apply a cross dissolve to the whole thing, it's going to be black underneath and then appear. Okay. But I want to do it to the whole, to all of them. So if I put that on all of them, okay, and you'll see that it doesn't quite feel right. Things are kind of blending in faster. Well, they're all blending at the same speed, but sometimes you kind of want to stagger a little bit so it's a bit more paced out and looks nicer on the eye. So for these ones, I'll probably drag these. Oops. I'm gonna do these ones first and sort of drag them a little bit behind. And maybe this one. So the kind of purple will appear first. This one comes in a bit too soon. So you have to play a little bit until you're happy with the kind of effect that you want. Okay, you can also change the length of some of these as well, see what effect that has. It's getting there, it's better. Maybe I don't want this to come in till a little bit later. And then again, they all drop out. So I need to add cross dissolves at the end too. So if you put those on. Oops. And let's see what effect that has. There you go. So maybe I want to leave my name on a little bit more. There you go. Let's go a bit quicker and tighter on that one. Oops. Okay, and I'm going to do the same one there. So what I want you to do is have a go at adding your cross dissolves. You can play about with dip to black if you want, or a few of the others, see what effect they might have. I would stick to these to begin with and then get a feel for some of the other ones. And have a go at getting these little text and color boxes and overlays to kind of blend in a little bit more smoother. So this one I might just drag out a little bit more. And so you can see it almost kind of like the texture kind of fades in. There you go. Cool. So have a play, changing the length of the cross dissolves, changing the length of the transitions, and get all of your video blending nicely together. In the next one, we'll look at some effects and actually changing the colors and style of the video using some of these video effects.